this is Vivian from perfectkickc. Today I want to give a review of Balenciaga track 2. If you like our shoes, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube and ask for coupons. All contact information are below my video. If you have any other questions about our shoes, please feel free to leave your comments below or connect me for more information. Okay, now let me show details about the Balenciaga track 2. We can see together with the Balenciaga track 2 that will go with original gray box. The Balenciaga in black colorway printed on the box. And coming to the side, you can see piece of tag here. It shows the Balenciaga shoes information, the shoe sizes, and the colorways. Inside box, we can check there's an extra shoelaces in like dark orange colorway. The Balenciaga little book. See? And together with the dust bag with gray colorway and the Balenciaga logo on it. See, it's very good quality. Okay, now let's come to the Balenciaga track 2 sneaker. As we know, this is a new release from Balenciaga track 2. The colorway of the track 2 is orange, black, red, and yellow colorway throughout the sneaker. It is a very beautiful track 2. The material of the sneaker is made of canvas and the nylon material throughout the shoes. There is no leather material on the sneaker. You can check on the shoe toe box here. The material on this part is made of nylon. You can see details and check the mesh material behind. Come to the inner of the sneaker, we can see the multiple structure. It's very beautiful and awesome. Okay, now let me show the lateral of the shoes. You can see the part here is made of metallized. The piece here is very unique and awesome. You can also find the black Balenciaga logo embossed here on the lateral of this part. Okay, now let me show the shoelaces. You can see the colorway of the shoelaces is light red or dark orange colorway. It is round pattern. And check the shoe tongue. You can see the part here, track 2 in orange colorway attached on the top of the shoe tongue. Moving back to the sneaker, you can see the Balenciaga logo embossed on a piece of yellow part here. You can check the stitching here, very good stitching. Moving down to the midsole, you can check the style. It's very awesome and beautiful. Check the part here and the light dark silver back. On the top of the outsole, you can see there are 2 BB logo embossed on the shoe toe. Okay, now let's turn down to the sneaker. We can see the Balenciaga logo embossed on outsole and the colorway of the outsole is orange, gray, and black colorway. The material of the outsole is made of rubber, and the pattern makes the shoes durability and traction. You see? Okay. For the inner part, you can see the piece of tag stitching behind the shoe tongue, Balenciaga logo, and the shoes information. Okay, now let's check the inside part. The insole is gray colorway with Balenciaga in orange colorway printed on it. And come back, you can see it's very soft. The numbers are embossed here, and you can also find the shoe size 44M embossed on the outsole. Okay, now let's check the inside part. You can see the stitching inside is very good. Okay, this is my review today. If you have any other questions, please don't forget to connect my WhatsApp, Wechat, or iMessage for more information. Thanks for watching my video today. See you next time.